Hello everyone, it's Kaitlyn here, the Human Resources and Marketing Intern at TLC. Today I am in Wortley Village for another update on a current design and build job project. I've gotten to see some really cool stuff so far. We've seen them demoing, we've seen them laying the foundation. Definitely check those videos out. Today we're going to see even more progress. I'm going to have Stefan walk us through it.
Hey again guys, it's Stefan back on the Iroquois job site. Made a lot of headway since. So as you guys can see, the Brussels wall went up, doing two things. One, retaining the grade at the back. Number two, it's a nice accent piece. And it's finished in a sort of coating style. We're going to have some cliff lights underneath that will accent it.
And what are cliff lights?
So cliff lights are just a landscaping light that will be inserted underneath the ledge of the cap like so. And they'll be spaced out accordingly in sort of a symmetrical fashion. It'll just really highlight the wall in the evening and just make the plants and the wall itself pop.
Awesome.
Continuing on, we've still got a little bit to go here, just a bit more dig out, and we'll get to the ledge, which is where we're turning the Brussels on the vertical side, and then just running it along. It'll run underneath the cap, which we'll finish once we get the lights installed. And then all the wall will be prepped. So we have the basin, the HPV screening, which will be our layer underneath the first layer of block. And then over to the big stuff again. So as you guys can see, Sabrina is laying the wall. She's laying the base course, and that'll be for the wall that wraps in all the way around and ties into the ledge over here. And then we have the outdoor kitchen, which Dan and Logan are working on, which we've made quite a bit of progress on. So the gas riser's in there. And we're going to make little slots here and there for access ports or outlets so that the things can be powered, like the range and the outdoor fridge. Everything's going to be coming up to the finished pillar height over here. So this is our finished height for all the stonework. So the kitchen will be that height as well. This alcove here will store the range. That one will store the fridge. And then we got two more pillars over there and the pavers.
And with these pillars, is that the finished product or is there more that needs to be done with them?
Good question. So over here we're going to have what we call Bandus Natural Stone Cap. It's a really wonderful product, pure natural stone, really dense, and it'll just highlight the product underneath it even better. What we typically do is, there's actually two ways. We can run it all the way down on the top, and as you can see, the soffit of the house interferes with that. So in this case, what we'll do is we'll do two cuts on either side and kind of jigsaw together and leave a clean mortar line, and it'll just give it an excellent finish, and we'll copy that on all four sides.
Cool, awesome, thank you.
Take care, guys.